Welcome back. So we had sunshine through all of the day, and after a couple of cool days yesterday and the day before, we finally made it back to the lower 80s for high temperatures today. That is because of the sunshine and more of a dry and mild westerly wind across the region. Just a few high clouds later on to the afternoon. Other than that, we had mainly clear skies across the region with a high of 81 at Scottsbluff, 78 at Alliance, 77 at Chadron, 74 at Gordon, and highs into the mid to upper 70s out toward Kimball and at Sydney. Current temperatures look like this, so that dry air does cool down pretty quickly. We're at 50 at Harrison, Alliance, 51 at Gordon, 53 Scottsbluff and Oshkosh, and 64 right now. Sydney continues to be the warm spot. The winds are pretty light out there, but most of us have that wind from a westerly or northwesterly direction. Wind speeds around 3 to 6 miles per hour in most areas. Now, as for that satellite loop, we barely have a cloud in the sky. Once again, mainly clear skies across the region. That's because of that strong northwesterly wind. Now, that low pressure system that gave us the rain and the clouds, that has followed the jet stream off to the north and to the east, giving some rain to the northern plains and even into the Midwest. Cold front made its way through, and that's why we do have that northwesterly wind. This high pressure is really going to be in charge of our forecast as we go through the weekend and beyond. And as it moves off to the east, it will warm us up with more of a southerly wind. So here's a look at the skycast as we make our way through the rest of the evening and overnight. Temperatures will be falling back into the low to mid 40s with mainly clear skies, and then going through the day tomorrow right back up there into the upper 70s to near 80, still keeping that dry northwesterly wind. So clear skies into the evening as we fall back through the 50s. Overnight lows to start off Sunday morning just after daybreak are going to be into the low to mid 40s, and then as we go through the day on Sunday, temperatures will reach the low to mid 70s, a little bit more of a northerly wind, a few more clouds, and that high is cresting right over us. So a little cooler on Sunday, but still a lot of sunshine out there. So we're going to keep that northwesterly wind through your Saturday, and there's the high cresting over us on Sunday. But after that cooler day on Sunday, that high moves off to the east. Notice we have complete sunshine from here all the way to the west coast. So with the sunshine, we get a strong southerly flow, and that will get temperatures up there once again as we finish out the weekend and start the work week. Now, here's a look at the drought monitor. Extreme drought, mainly from Sydney through the Kimball area, Cheyenne, and points off to the north. That's surrounded in the orange here by the severe drought, Wheatland, Chugwater, and it does include Scottsbluff and points off to the east. The northern panhandle doing a little better, just abnormally dry. We will see what the rain we got over the past week does to the drought. That'll be in next week's report, but after that, it looks like we're going to go right back downhill because of this dry and warm weather pattern. Lots of sunshine, 80 on Saturday, 74 on Sunday. There's your slight cool down. Still sunny skies, near 80 Monday and Tuesday. Then mid-80s, mostly sunny on Wednesday, but back to sunny skies on Thursday, a high of 86, and then partly cloudy Friday, a little cooler, high of 81 degrees. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. With the colder winter months on the way, get ready for some home heating sticker shock.